Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that all are well and living safe life at your home. Now today, we will discuss about some problems from exercise 7.5. All these questions depend on your book from page number 158. Your question is question number 2. First question is 1 upon 18 plus 1 upon 18. The meaning is these two fractions are like fraction. These two fractions are like fraction. So what will you do? Denominators are same. In these fraction, denominators are same. So LCM will be same number, that is 18. After taking out LCM, what will you do? It will take 18 upon 18. It will give to you 1. 1 1 ja 1. Again 18 upon 18. It will give to you 1. 1 1 ja 1. Or other words, 1 upon 18 plus 1 upon 18. These two fractions are like fraction. That's why denominators are same. So LCM is same number, that is denominator. This is 18, and what is your numerator? 1 and 1. You will write here 1 plus 1 upon 18. 1 plus 1, it will give to you 2. 2 upon 18. You know very well 2 and 18. Both number will be cancelled. 2 1 ja 2. 2 9 ja 18. Your required answer is 1 upon 9. Okay. Your next question is 8 upon 15 plus 3 upon 15. You know very well, in these two fractions, denominators are same. So these two fractions are like fraction. So what is your LCM? LCM is the denominator. What is your denominator? Denominator is 15. So LCM will be 15. Okay. Then after, what will you do? What is your numerator? 8 and 3. So we will write here 8 plus 3 upon 15. 8 plus 3 equal to 11. 11 upon 15. 11 upon 15 is the required answer of the given question. Okay. Your next question is 12 upon 15 minus 7 upon 15. You know very well, in these two fractions, denominators are same. So these two fractions are like fraction. So what will you do? We will take out the LCM. LCM is the same, that is 15. Okay. Then after, what will you write? 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 upon 15. 12 minus 7, it will give to you 5 upon 15. 5 and 15, both number will be cancelled by 5. 5 1 ja 5. 5 3 ja 15. After cancellation, you will get 1 upon 3. So your required answer is 1 upon 3. Okay. Your required answer is 1 upon 3. My dear student, your question is 1 minus 2 upon 3. 1 minus 2 upon 3. 1 we can written as 1 upon 1 minus 2 upon 3. And now look here, it is 1 upon 1. In 1 upon 1, 1 is numerator and this one is denominator. In 2 upon 3, 2 is numerator, 3 is denominator. So what will you do? 1, this denominator 1, we can convert it to 3. Okay, this denominator 1, we can convert it to 3. How? Look here. In numerator and denominator multiplied by 3. in numerator and denominator multiplied by 3. So what will you get? 1 into 3 upon 1 into 3 minus 2 upon 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3. 3 upon 3 minus 2 upon 3. 3 upon 3 and 2 upon 3. This is the like fraction. That's why in these two fractions denominators are same, that is 3. So LCM will be 3. LCM will be 3. Then after what will you write? 3 minus 2 upon 3. Okay, 3 minus 2, it will give to you 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 is the required answer of the given question. Okay, your next question is 3 upon 1 minus 12 upon 5. Okay, 3 upon 1 minus 12 upon 5. You know very well. And 3 upon 1, 3 is numerator, 1 is denominator. 12 upon 5, 12 is numerator, 5 is denominator. So what will you do? Denominator 1 converted to 5. Denominator 1 converted to 5. How? Look here. In numerator and denominator multiplied by 5. In numerator and denominator multiplied by 5. 3 into 5 upon 1 into 5 minus 12 upon 5. 3 5s are 15 upon 5 1s are 5. 15 upon 5 minus 12 upon 5. You know very well, in these two fractions denominators are same. In these two fractions denominators are same. So LCM is the 5. LCM is 5. Then after what will you write? 15 minus 12. 15 minus 12, it will give to you 15 minus 12 is equal to 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 is required answer of the given question. Okay, my dear student, all these questions depend on your book, and all these questions depend on the like fraction. Your question number 3 is Shubham painted 2 upon 3 of the wall space in his room. Okay, Shubham painted 2 upon 3 of the wall space in his room. His sister Madhavi helped and 1 upon 3 of the wall space. How much did they paint together? Okay, so in this question what will you do? Now look here. Work done by Shubham is 2 upon 3 of the wall. Okay, and work done by Medhavi is 1 upon 3 of the wall. Then after what will you do? They will paint together. So work done by Shubham plus work done by Medhavi, 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. You know very well, denominators are same, so all these two fractions are like fraction. Okay, so what will you do? 2 plus 1 upon 3. 2 plus 1, it will give to you 3. 3 upon 3. After cancellation you will get 1. The meaning is they will paint the complete wall. They will paint the complete wall. Okay, your question number 5 is Javed was given 5 upon 7 of a basket of oranges. What fraction of orange was left in the basket? Question is Javed was given 5 upon 7 of a basket of orange. Okay, what fraction of orange was left in the basket? So in this question what will you do? Now look here. Suppose you have one basket. Suppose you have one basket. Okay, so in this question, fractional part of orange was left in the basket. Fractional part of orange was left in the basket. It will give to you 1 minus 5 upon 7. 1 upon 1 minus 5 upon 7. These two fractions are unlike fraction. Okay, one is in numerator, one is in denominator. 5 is in numerator, 7 is in denominator. So what will you do? Denominator 1 converted to 7. So what will you do? In numerator and denominator multiplied by 7. 1 into 7 upon 1 into 7 in numerator and denominator multiplied by 7. As you are looking, minus 5 upon 7. 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7. 7 upon 7 minus 5 upon 7. This is the like fraction and denominators are 7. Therefore LCM is 7. After what will you do? What is your numerator? 7 and 5. 7 minus 5 upon 7. It will give to you 2 upon 7. So fractional part of oranges was left in the basket is 2 upon 7. Okay, fractional part of orange was left in the basket is 2 upon 7. This is your required answer of the given question. My dear student, all these questions will be very useful to you for your knowledge and upcoming exam. Thank you. God bless you.